Converting Matlab program to equivalent Python code. Want to implement the below listed Matlab commands in Python. I am able to figure out the Matlab equivalent commands in Python, but I am not getting the exact result. Can someone please help me to achieve so? Matlab code, Python code. So X is my array with Boolean data type, array, false, false, true, false, false, type equals bool. How can I make my last command to return result in form of zeros or ones such that result is exactly same as Matlab?
Use a list comprehension to convert bool to int.
False function is incorrectly